Hello students. So in today's video, we shall discuss about named reactions and Riemer-Tiemann reaction. So what is Riemer-Tiemann reaction? So Riemer-Tiemann reaction is a type of substitution reaction, actually it is. So named after chemist Karl Riemer and Ferdinand Tiemann. So the reaction is used for the orthoformylation of phenols. So here, what will be happened in this reaction actually? So when phenols is treated with chloroform, CHCl3 chloroform, in the presence of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, an aldehyde group CHO is just introduced at the ortho position of the benzene ring, so leading to the formation of orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. So the reaction is popularly known as Riemer-Tiemann reaction. So, so the common reaction can be written as Riemer-Tiemann reaction can be written as, so phenols when phenol is treated with chloroform CHCl3 in the presence of potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, any basic medium, so it gives orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. So this is a major product because due to hydrogen bonding, so this is a major product. Say plus minor product also will be formed. So that is para-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay, this is minor product. So this is major product because of hydrogen bonding present between this hydroxy group and aldehyde group, this hydrogen and oxygen. So there is a hydrogen bonding. So that is why it is a major product. So in this reaction, what will be happened actually? So since hydroxides are not readily soluble in chloroform, a biphasic solvent system is employed to carry out the reaction. So this biphasic solvent system can consist of an aqueous hydroxide solution with an organic phase that contains the chloroform. Okay, chloroform and any basic medium, chloroform along with the basic medium. So that is called biphasic solvent. So biphase. So these two reagents that are separated are brought together for the reaction to occur. So just techniques to bring these two reagents together include rapid mixing or phase transfer catalysts or the use of an emulsifying agent. So here the mechanism. So when we discuss about mechanism, so here the mechanism of the Riemer-Tiemann reaction just begins with the deprotonation of chloroform by a strong base to form chloroform carbene ion. So first what will be happened? Deprotonation of chloroform will be taken place. So this chloroform carbene ion quickly undergoes alpha elimination, so that chlorine will be eliminated. So that is called alpha elimination and gives rise to dichlorocarbon. So the principal reactive, so here for this reason that are main species for the chemical reaction. So here mechanism. So first of all, chloroform, okay, CHCl3. So here deprotonation will be taken place here. So deprotonation will be taken place. So this H will be reacted with the potassium hydroxide, that base. Okay. So here H2O will be eliminated and here dichloro and quickly. So first of all, actually it is a carbene ion, C minus Cl, Cl, then Cl. So here this chlorine will be eliminated quickly, alpha elimination. This is called alpha elimination. Alpha elimination will be taken place here, alpha elimination to form dichlorocarbene. This is called what? Dichlorocarbene. This is called what? dichlorocarbon, DCC, dichlorocarbon. So after the formation of this dichlorocarbon, okay, that will be attached to the phenol at ortho position. Okay. So here OH. So actually here that OH that which is present in basic, that coming from base KOH, okay, K plus and OH minus. So this will be attacked on this proton, and as a result, the one this bond pair will be shifted to oxygen. As a result, oxygen gets negative charge, O minus. So now this electron pair shifted to this carbon. As a result, this carbon gives this bond pair to dichlorocarbon. Okay. So as a result, there is a bond between these two carbons at ortho position, at this position. So here C, Cl, then Cl. So here double bond will be formed. So at this carbon, there is a hydrogen. So this proton will be shifted. Okay, this proton is shifted. Then this hydrogen will be attached to this carbon. Then oxygen got negative charge. Then here carbon, Cl, then Cl. Okay. So now what will be happened here actually? It will be treated with the basic medium KOH. So here chlorine will be eliminated as KCl. Chlorine will be eliminated. Now carbon valence is reduced. Carbon valence is reduced. So that is why here this OH group is attached to this carbon OH. Then Cl. One chlorine is present on this carbon. So now what will be happen here? So this bond, this negative charge present on oxygen attacks on this hydrogen. As a result, so here one forgotten to put one hydrogen here. Here chlorine is eliminated. One chlorine. So this bond pair shifted to this carbon. So to form ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. So here OH, then C double bond O, H will be formed. So this is the desired product, ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. So this is the major product. Actually, there is a hydrogen bonding present between this OH group and this aldehyde group. So that is why it is the major product. So minor product also present, because this is a substituted reaction. Ortho and para position will be substituted, but para position is a minor product, and this is a major product because of hydrogen bonding. Okay, this is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So students, if you like this video, just hit like button and comment. If you have any doubts, just let me know in the comment section. I will clarify your doubts regarding this topic, and share to others and subscribe to my channel for more latest chemistry lectures. Thank you for watching.